The threat of nuclear war may feel remote to many Jamaicans, but experts say the consequences would not respect borders. At the inaugural Freedom Lecture hosted by the Caribbean Court of Justice and the Norman Manley Law School last night, legal, scientific, and policy experts examined why small island states like those in the Caribbean cannot afford to ignore the growing global risks.
From war in Europe to rising tensions in Asia, the shadow of nuclear conflict continues to loom. And while the Caribbean possesses no nuclear weapons, experts warn the region would not be insulated from the consequences of any global escalation. Russia and the United States together control 90% of the world's nuclear arsenal. China, France, the United Kingdom, India, Pakistan, Israel, and North Korea also maintain nuclear stockpiles. According to CCJ President Justice Winston Anderson, here's what confronts the world.
A handful of men with access to incredibly powerful nuclear weapons can at any time exterminate the 8 billion human beings on the face of the earth. With us would go every trace of civilization.
It's concerning because international law, he says, still has no clear answer to whether it's legal or illegal to use nuclear weapons. Additionally, the nuclear-armed nations are not party to the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons.
As long as the status quo continues, it is not unfair, but perhaps unfortunate, to say that the treaty prohibiting nuclear weapons has itself been nuked.
A single detonation could trigger humanitarian, economic, and environmental consequences that extend far beyond the battlefield, disrupting global food supplies, trade, health systems, and climate patterns, with small island states like those in the Caribbean among the most vulnerable.
Recent armed conflicts in Europe and the Middle East have brought this threat to the fore. 8 billion people cannot allow themselves to be held mute and captive to the whim of a few, however benign, however malignant. This is intolerable. This cannot stand. The people of the world must awaken to the cataclysmic danger facing us in this moment. We must seek solutions, whether these be theological, technical, or legal. We must not go quietly into the dark night.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.